Hey, what's up everyone? So as promised, here is the last and final video that we'll be doing about SE ranking. But before we go ahead and do so, I just want to tell you all about, or again tell you about the lead generation tool that we have over at SERPWizz.com. So this lead generation tool will give you white label audits for your website, and if you are interested in knowing how that works, then you are entitled, or you can be entitled to a free guide showing you how SERPWizz is amassing agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So if you're interested, again, just please do leave your, or do visit SERPWizz.com and leave your first name and email with us, and of course click on the final help button so that you can be given this information. But yeah, now let's go back to our main topic for today, which is still all about the social media features of SE ranking. So as I've previously mentioned on the last video that we did before this one, we won't be able to, or we will not connect our accounts here, but I just want to give you an idea of what you can expect from the social media features here in SE ranking. So again, if you want to access these tools, you can just head on over to SE ranking, create an account, or get a subscription that is best suited for you. And then there will be actually, let me show that to you. Hold on, let me just quickly get this. Let's just wait for it to load up. And then here, when you open the SE ranking landing page, this is what you're gonna see. And there is a projects tab at the top right corner of the page, and that is exactly what you're gonna click, so that you'll be taken to the projects tab, where you can view all the tools and solutions that SE ranking offers. So let's just wait for that to load up. So now that we're here on the dashboard, all you need to do is just choose the project that you want to work on, and on the left side of the panel you'll see all of these tools. Actually, you can expand that by clicking. There's a button or there's an arrow here that will tell you that it should expand. So just click on that one like so, and scroll down because you will see the list of the tools that they have, and at the bottommost part you should be able to see the social media section, and upon clicking that you will be brought on over to the dashboard for social media features and services. And here you have some tabs that are pertaining to popular or the most in-demand social media platforms available in the market, which is Facebook and Twitter. And here is the dashboard like I've shown earlier. This is what auto posting is. So since you haven't connected any of our social media accounts, it's not gonna show up, but I just wanna give you a quick look, or at least let you know about the features that they have. So one is auto posting, so that can be scheduling of the posting of your content or anything as such that is related to your social media. And of course, Facebook metrics. For example, you're running ads on Facebook, you want to see the engagements on Facebook. And they also have Twitter metrics, which is pretty much the same as Facebook, and also the accounts tab, where you will be able to connect any number of accounts to analyze them and use the auto posting feature. So here you can connect all of those accounts that you may have and manage them accordingly. So that is what the social media features of SE ranking can do for your business. So it integrates all of these tools, and also the particular tools that are for social media, and gets them to your account more efficiently because they're gonna be all connected, and so the results will also be connected as well. As you remember, we have done the report. So here, if you want to have a quick report of your social media accounts as well, then you can definitely include this on the report that you will be making. So that is all. That is pretty much it for social media features of SE ranking, and SE ranking in particular. In general, I mean, we have done all of the tools. We have discussed all of these, and hopefully you found all of the videos helpful and beneficial, and helps you decide whether or not SE ranking is the tool that you want to work with your business. So again, guys, please do give us a like for this video and the rest of the videos in the playlist as well, and also comment your takeaways or any insights that you may have, and subscribe to our channel here in YouTube so that you can be notified when we upload new content. And also, don't forget to, of course, drop by SERPWizz.com for that lead generation tool that I mentioned earlier. But that is it for me for now. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this playlist, and see you on the next one.